Hello students, today we are going to discuss an important theorem related to a rank of a matrix and a rank of a linear transformation. So statement of the theorem is, let A be an m by n real matrix, any m by n matrix. Let LA be a linear transformation LA from Rn to Rm defined by LA of x is equal to Ax for all x belongs to Rn. Here x is taken as a column vector x1, x2, xn. So this is n by 1 vector. So A is a m by n matrix. See here, this A is a m by n matrix and this x is a n by 1 vector. So when you multiply these two, and this will result give you Ax is the matrix Ax is of the order, what is the order of m by 1. So this can be considered as a vector in Rm, and this transformation LA is a linear transformation. Easy to verify, you can verify. Then what happens, the rank of the given matrix A and the rank of this matrix is same. Rank of the given matrix A, this is the matrix A, and rank of this linear transformation, both are same. Now we are going to prove this. So given that the linear transformation LA is defined by LA of x is equal to Ax for all x belongs to Rn. Here x is equal to the column vector x1, x2, xn, the column vector n by 1 matrix, and each xi belongs to R for all 1 is less than I is less than or equal to n. How many columns this matrix A has? How many columns this matrix A has? So n columns. So let C1, C2, Cn be the columns of a matrix A. Columns of a matrix A. Therefore, this A can be written as A is equal to C1, C2, first column, second column, and nth column. Now we are going to prove that the rank of this linear transformation A is equal to rank of A. You know already the rank of the rank of a linear transformation is what? Dimension of range of T. Range of LA is equal to, what is the range of LA or image of LA? This is LA of x such that capital X belongs to Rn. Capital X belongs to Rn. This is by definition. Range of LA is equal to, this is LA of x, LA of x, x belongs to Rn. This is the set of all image vectors of the linear transformation LA. Okay. Now range of T is equal to, or image of range of LA is equal to range of LA is equal to LA of x such that x belongs to Rn. So this is equal to, what is LA of x? LA of x is Ax such that x belongs to Rn. So this is equal to, what is Ax? A is a matrix, we have already know that A can be written as a this C1 comma C2 and so on comma Cn, and this x is, we have taken x is, this is a x belongs to Rn, so x can be written as x1, x2 and so on xn. This can be written as in a column vectors. Okay, so such that this x belongs to Rn means what? This capital X is equal to, this is x1, x2 and so on xn, so that comma xi belongs to R for all I. So this is a set. So this is equal to, when you multiply these two matrices, this is equal to x1 c1, this is equal to x1 c1 plus x2 c2 plus and so on plus xn cn, such that xi belongs to R, such that xi belongs to R for all I. This is equal to, see here, what is this? This is a linear combination of set of all columns of A. So see here, all xi or alpha I belongs to R, all xi belongs to R. So this is just the linear span of C1, C2 and so on Cn. This is a space spanned by columns of A. This is what? This is a space spanned by or generated by, spanned by columns of A. Columns of A. So this is equal to, space spanned by columns of A is what? Column space of A. This is just column space of A. So what we have, range of A is nothing but the space spanned by columns of A. Now therefore dimension of range of A, range of LA is equal to dimension of column space of A. Column space of A. Why this is a column space of A? Because range of LA is column space of A. We have already proven. So this implies that dimension of range of LA means what? This is just the rank of the linear transformation LA. Rank of the linear transformation. So dimension of column space of A is what? This A is a matrix here. So dimension of column space of A is nothing but column rank of A. So this implies that rank of a linear transformation LA is equal to column rank of LA and row rank of a matrix. Column rank of a matrix and row rank of a matrix are always same. We have already proved that. And so this column rank is nothing but the row rank and rank of a matrix LA. This is rank of A. Therefore rank of this linear transformation LA and the rank of the matrix A are same. This is a very interesting and simple proof that the equivalence of rank of a linear transformation and rank of a matrix are same. Where this LA is defined, how this LA is defined? This LA is corresponding to a matrix A and LA of X is equal to AX. This LA is a transformation from Rn to Rm. Thank you, students.